What's up, you guys? Tim Trevathan with Tim Trevathan Homes here on another new construction video. And this is built by Toll Brothers. It's called Vista Ridge. We're here in the Woodstock area, and guys, you've got a lot to pick from because on this side, you've got one-story ranch homes, and then across the street, still part of the same neighborhood, you've got the two-story bigger floor plans. So a lot to choose from. Let's take a look at what this community has to offer. And Vista Ridge is a pretty amazing community for several reasons. One, because you got bigger lot sizes and a lot of new construction, and also it's built by Toll Brothers. Some of you may know it is a renowned builder, not just in Georgia and Metro Atlanta, but also in the entire country. And this particular community is located in Woodstock, Georgia. So it's in the Cherokee County area and within the Woodstock city limits. So what's cool is that Cherokee, you got lower taxes than some of the other surrounding counties such as North Fulton or Gwinnett, and these homes are absolutely beautiful. The pricing is also competitive, considering Toll Brothers homes can go for quite a bit, especially out in Cumming, where I've done a couple videos such as Holbrook Reserve and Brookmead, for example. But as far as this one goes, Vista Ridge has three different what you call collections of single family homes. One is the Meadows, which is their smaller floor plans ranging from anywhere between 1,701 square feet to 2,731 square feet, starting in the 500,000s, mid 500,000s. And then you've got the other two, which are the Heritage and Highlands collections. These are the two-story homes versus the Meadows, which is a one-story ranch. And Heritage and Highlands, what differentiates those two would be that the Heritage collection homes are 40 feet wide, whereas the Highlands homes are 50 feet wide. And the pricing differs a bit. As far as the size, though, you can still find in both collections over 3,000 square feet. But the pricing for the Highlands is a bit more because it is a bit bigger in terms of not just the square feet, but also you've got the high ceilings. You'll see some model homes here at the end of this video that you definitely want to check out, and you'll see the difference, both being fantastic homes though. But what's cool about Vista Ridge is that there are two parts to this community that are across the street. They're the same neighborhood, but across the street you've got the Heritage and the Highlands, and then the other side you've got the Meadows, where it is all the ranch homes, all the one-story homes. If you know anything about new construction, there are fewer and fewer ranch home floor plans that are for sale. You could see a 50 home new construction community, and out of those 50 homes, maybe 2 or 3 of them are ranch style homes. So having this dedicated separate neighborhood that's still part of the overall community that are tons of ranch homes, I want to say 40 or 50 or even more than that, that is pretty awesome because that fits a lot of people's desires where normally it's hard to find. You have to get a used home, a resale that is not as updated, but having a ranch that is and made by Toll Brothers, it's a win-win situation. Now, as far as the number of lots, just with the Heritage and Highlands alone, there are 236 homes and there's only 20 lots left. So there's a lot that have already sold, but there's still some opportunities. How to lock in a contract: basically sign the contract itself and deposit the earnest money, which in this case, it's 5% of the purchase price. If you're looking at over $1 million in pricing, then that earnest money increases to 10%. The HOA fee, the annual HOA fee is $850, and this includes swimming pool, clubhouse, and pickleball courts. So there's some really nice amenities that you can look forward to. So here's a couple examples of actual lots that are available for sale. They're considered quick moving because they've already been built. Here's one called the Barnsley Elite Cottage, which is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. It's a 2-car front-facing garage, 2-story, even though it's basically a ranch-style home. It's got the bonus room above, and it's got 2,550 square feet. So that's one option, and that's priced at $771,778. Then you get another one that's also Barnsley Elite called the Traditional Style, and then the Ackworth Farmhouse, which is a 2-story move-in ready home. 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 3,320 square feet. Absolutely beautiful. It does indeed have that farmhouse look on the front, hence the name Ackworth Farmhouse. And that one is priced at $836,533. And as you can see, there are some other ones like Wauka Cottage, Serenity Traditional, Hedgerow Modern Farmhouse, and the Hillside Farmhouse. These homes are spectacular and again, on bigger lots than usual with great amenities, built by Toll Brothers. What more can you ask for? And you're not far, I would say maybe 10, 15 minutes or less to the downtown Woodstock area where you've got all of the different amenities, shopping and dining options over there, great vibes and plenty of things to do. So you're in a good location, but also still out in a place where it kind of looks country-like, but you're still close to a great city center. If you're in need of an agent to represent you on the buyer side, I can be of help. The great thing about new construction is that the builder pays my commission, you don't. So it's to your advantage to be able to work with an agent such as myself, who I would love to be able to help people in terms of buying either here at Vista Ridge or elsewhere. I help people in terms of buying and selling here in Metro Atlanta, and it's not just resale, but also new construction, as I'm very familiar with the process. Speaking of which, check out part 1 and part 2 of the step-by-step process of how to buy a new construction home, as I go over all the details and you'll see how much more complicated it can get with buying a new construction home. But after watching those videos, you'll like it. Now stay tuned, I'm gonna show you these awesome model home tours, and then make sure to subscribe, like this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.